Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Here with Danielite, and today I bring you guys a no deposit bonus which you can use to trade the live market without you risking your capital. And today I'll be showing you guys on how you can get the bonus even without KYC. All you just have to do is just make sure you follow this video step by step, and so that you don't miss out on any instruction on how you would be able to get the bonus. And in the comment section I'll be dropping the link to get the bonus and also the link to join the community. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can share the video to your friends so that they can also benefit from the bonus. Right here on our screen, the name of the broker is Headway Broker, and down here you have register. You click on it and then it changes, it brings register with Gmail. You click on it also, and here we'll be taken to their personal area where we have to put in our Gmail, your first name and your last name. As you can see on the screen here, I already did so, and put in your first name and put in your last name also. And once you are done with putting your details, you click on register. From there it brings you to where you see your temporary password which you use to log into the site. So, and you can also change the password if you want, but for now I proceed to the next part where I was sent a code through my Gmail. A code was sent to my Gmail, so I just have to go fetch it. So you head to the Gmail, you click on the code, that's the code right there, and then you head back to the site and paste it. You can just copy the code and head back to the site to paste it right where it is needed. So we paste the code right here and then click on submit. From there you'll be taken to the main site where you'll be able to see, you can see on the screen, you have been successfully registered. So you click on dashboard and you'll be taken to the next site where you see details of accounts opened. There's a demo account opened for you already, but that's not where we're heading to. So you scroll down a little bit and you see the bonus right there. The bonus is right there, so you click on get the bonus. See it on the screen, you get $111 bonus. You click on it and it brings details. You get the bonus immediately. So it brings details, the MT5 details, where you just need to prepare everything is set there. So just click on the details. Like I've said in the beginning, just follow the video step by step and then you get the bonus. But now you just, since we've gotten our details, the MT5 details, so you just click on the details and it copies. It show copied. So right now we head straight to our MT5 to put in the details needed and then log in. So right here you click on the cross sign showing up there. Click on the cross sign and put in the name of the broker which will be using to log in. So the name of the broker is Headway. Yes, that's it on the screen. You click on it and then it takes you to where you put in details which was given to us the other time. So the server will be selecting is Headway rule. So you put in your password and then you put in your login account, your login number, which was given to us the other time on the screen, like I showed on the screen. You click on login and immediately the bonus have been credited. As simple as that. Another thing I want you to know is that you only have just 7 days to trade this bonus. After 7 days the bonus will be removed and you'll be left with only the profit you make. And to withdraw the profits made, you have to trade a particular lot size, calculating based on the profit. As you can see on the screen, I already placed a trade with the account, and there's a link in the comment section where you can claim the bonus, and also a link where you can join my community for you to get free signals. Have a good day.